Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. My name is Janhvi and if you're new to my channel, I make a new video every Sunday, so please do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't. So coming to today's video is about how you can improve your spoken English and how you can speak English fluently and confidently. Now, I am not a pro in spoken English, but whatever I've learned through my experience, that's what I'm going to share in today's video. So without any further ado, let's get started. I was never an alien to the English language. Coming from an English medium school, I knew how to write English and I knew my grammar and I could understand the basic conversations. But the problem that I faced was with speaking English because I never really practiced it. I always spoke Hindi in my home and also with my friends. But gradually I did understood that English sadly is important in the professional network and I need to improve my English. So I worked on these basic 5 tips that I'm gonna share with you today. So don't be shy and don't be afraid. I know it's going to be difficult, but it's going to be a fun journey, and trust me, at the end you are going to love the results. So my number 1 tip is to start having your thoughts in English. I know that this sounds stupid, but let me explain. Now imagine you're sitting at your home and there's no one around you. What language do your thoughts come to you in? For me, that was Hindi. So whichever language your thoughts come to you in is the most natural language that comes to you. So for me it was Hindi, and what you need to do is to force yourself to have your thoughts in English. Even if they are coming in Hindi, translate them and frame them in English. For example, you get a thought कि मुझे जाके पानी पीना है. Now you need to translate and frame this sentence in English in your head. It would be like, let me go to the kitchen and grab a glass of water. So you need to practice this whenever you get a thought, even if it's in Hindi. Pause for a moment and translate and try to frame it in English for yourself and then take the action. Now this step would benefit you in 2 ways. Firstly, you are just thinking, so you don't need to worry if someone is going to judge you for making mistakes. So you don't need to worry about making mistakes or people judging you. Sadly, people do judge you on making mistakes or form an opinion about you if you speak wrong English, but that's not something that you need to worry about when you're just having thoughts in English. Second would be that we get so many thoughts in a day, so we can actually practice so many sentences in a day. So people like us who think a lot can actually utilize this and practice our English in our thoughts. So practicing like this can actually help you a lot, and English will start coming to you naturally once you start having your thoughts in English. So my tip number 2 is to watch a lot of content in English. You can watch movies, series, podcasts, audiobooks, and you can also watch commentary in English, and you can also watch different YouTube videos in English. Now a lot of people also recommend reading a lot of books, but personally I feel that if you want to improve your writing skills, you need to read a lot, but if you want to improve your spoken English, then the listening part is where you need to focus more. So I highly recommend listening to podcasts or audiobooks and just consuming content online in English. Now again, this would benefit you in 2 ways. Firstly, you will understand how people use English in the spoken context. Now in every language, the way we write is different from the way we speak. In Hindi also, like we never say that मेरी पुस्तक वहाँ रखी है, but this is how we write. So once you start consuming content in English, you'll understand and you'll get the hang of the spoken English and how people use it in the spoken context. Now I started from watching Friends and then The Big Bang Theory, etc. So you can also watch Friends, it's great. You can choose any movie or series that you want to watch. If you're looking for recommendations, I have made another video on my top favorite movies, so I'll just link it down in the top right corner, so you can just go and check that out too after watching this video. And the second way that it's going to benefit you is that your vocabulary will reach to a new level. So watching this content online in English can also help you improve your vocabulary at the same time. My next tip is to start practicing English. Now, like any other skill, if you want to improve your spoken English, you need to practice it. So make sure that you take out some time, half an hour to 1 hour every day in practicing English. You can do that in three different ways. First would be to just stand in front of the mirror and speak. I know people around you might think that you've gone mad, but this is gonna help you a lot. It will also tell you about your body language and the gestures that you use. Second would be to record a video of yourself speaking, and you can just review your video and see what are the improvement areas and what are the things that you need to improve on. Third would be to just record an audio of yourself speaking. This would let you know about your voice tone and where you need to stress more and where you need to pause. So this would actually help you a lot again. So following these steps, you need to review your videos and audios, and trust me, this is gonna help you a lot by learning from your mistakes, and you can just see how you have grown through your old videos. This was the process that I personally used to improve my English, and I also started a YouTube channel through that journey. And I still feel that I'm not really perfect at speaking English, but when I look back at my older videos, I realize that I have improved a lot. Another suggestion that I would like to give to you while following this step is that you can read a lot of articles on Reddit or on any other platform on any topic that you are personally interested in, and you can just write a summary after reading that topic in your own words and try to speak that for the video or audio that you're recording. Now, this will also have two benefits. You'll be improving your English, of course, and you'll also get a lot of knowledge about the topics that you're interested in. You can also choose articles about the latest issues that are going around the world, and you can just speak on that. This will have a lot of benefits. Even if you do it just for 30 days, you can just see the improvement that has happened in your life. Okay, so my fourth tip is to start practicing with a partner. Now, if you can find a partner who is at the same level of English as you are and who you feel won't judge you and make fun of you, so you can start practicing with them, and this will actually speed up the whole process of your improvement. So I personally feel that we learn a lot from our mistakes, so please don't get offended if people try to correct your English. We actually learn so much from our mistakes and we do not repeat our mistakes. So try to take it positively and practice with people that you are comfortable with, that are in your safe zone and that won't make fun of you. So this will actually motivate you and speed up the whole process of your improvement. So my last and final tip is very simple and easy, that it is not important. We should stop giving English so much of importance, and it is a huge flaw in the Indian society that we associate English with intelligence, and this is because of the British rule that we have this kind of mentality. Nowhere else you will find such kind of a mentality. In Germany, people speak German. In Japan, people speak Japanese. And in India, we should speak Hindi or Marathi, Tamil, Telugu and Sanskrit, because that's our actual languages. So if you're not able to speak in English well, it's really not that big a deal. If you get stuck somewhere while speaking in English, complete your sentences in Hindi, because fortunately we live in an age or generation where that is accepted. So be proud of yourselves, be proud of your nation, be proud of the language that your parents and forefathers spoke. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in another video next week. Until then, goodbye.